Are you targeting band 8 or above in IELTS speaking? If yes, then this video is for you. There's an age-old saying, winners don't do different things, they do the same things differently. This is what holds true for IELTS speaking too. So today, we'll be sharing idiomatic expressions that will help you score exceptionally well in IELTS speaking. My take on this. My take on this. If the question is something like, is watching TV a good way of forgetting about work or study? You may simply begin by saying, well, I'll tell you my take on this, and then you may continue to express your opinion. Or you could say, my take on this is an absolute yes. I mean, these days there's so much choice available that we can completely immerse ourselves in entertainment and forget about everything else. To my way of thinking. This again means, in my opinion, for example, to my way of thinking, TV is only a temporary distraction. Your problems are still there and will still need to be dealt with. So, such idioms are used in situations where the aspirants need to provide their opinion on any topic. Now, there could be another case when you are not sure or you may have two different opinions about something. Then the following idioms come in handy. Number one, I am in two minds about this. Number two, I am on the fence about this. Or maybe, I think I am on the fence about this. Let's understand this with the help of an example. If the question is, do you plan to continue the same job in the future? Your answer could be, well, to be honest, I'm on the fence about this. I'm currently developing my own website, so if it's successful, I may choose otherwise. Or, I'm in two minds about this. I'm currently developing my own website, so if it's successful, I may choose otherwise. Using idioms naturally and effectively will always help you achieve a good score. Let's now take a look at some idioms that are used to describe people, places, or things. Do you ever buy anything on the internet? No, not really. Well, I suppose I might once in a blue moon. Describe your house. I own a small but well planned house. It's a 3 BHK flat with all basic facilities. But our building is located in the middle of nowhere. You can't even find a small shop nearby. Talk about a book that you've read recently. I'm used to reading a lot of books. Usually, all of them are good, but the one I read recently is a cut above the rest. So now you know few new idioms. Don't forget to practice using them. I believe this is not the end. For more videos like this, please subscribe to our channel.